everyone, just see theorems based on the circle of class 9th. Now see, very first theorem I am writing here, theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. Prove that equal cards subtend equal angles at the center of circle. See, proof of this theorem is very easy. Now see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, this is the card AB, this is the card CD. Card AB, this is the card CD. These two cards are equal. We have to prove that angles subtended by these cards at the center are equal. Now, angle subtended by card AB at the center of circle will be C. This angle. Angle subtended by card CD at the center of circle. This angle. Okay. Now we have to prove that this angle equals to this angle. इस पर मैंने सर्कल मार्क कर रखा. That is angle AOB equals to COD. सबसे पहले we write the given. देखिए given में a circle having center O, radius R, in which AB equals to CD. To prove angle AOB equals to angle COD. Proof. Now just we will use the concept of congruency. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD. See, OA equals to OC, region radii of same circle. ये सर्कल का साइन है, चार्ट में बना दिया. OB equals to OD, same region radii of same circle, and AB equals to CD. This is given. This implies that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SS congruency. This implies that when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. This implies that angle AOB equals to angle COD. Okay, region by CPCT. Now theorem number 2. Just see. Theorem number 2 is very easy and important theorem. Now what is that theorem? Prove that perpendicular drawn from center of circle to card bisects the card. I am writing statement of this theorem on the board, and see, this theorem is very important. Generally the question based on these theorems are asked in examination. So see the statement. Prove that perpendicular drawn from center of circle को हमने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में ऐसे लिख दिया, फ्रॉम सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल टू द कार्ड bisects the card. See, first of all, I will make the diagram. See, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, this is the card AB, and see, this is the perpendicular OC from the center of circle. We have to prove that OC bisects AB, that is it divide AB into two equal part, that is we have to prove that AC equals to BC. देखिए सबसे पहले आई विल राइट गिवन, बहुत ही आसान प्रूफ है। गिवन में सर्कल हैविंग सेंटर O and radius R in which OC is perpendicular to AB. To prove क्या प्रूव करना है? AC इक्वल्स टू BC, दैट इज C इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB. देखिए बहुत ही आसान, हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल ज्वाइन OA and OB. Now we will apply congruency in triangle AOC and BOC. बहुत ही आसान, देखो प्रूफ में देखो. Now in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, देखो क्या होगा? OA इक्वल्स टू OB, रीजन radii of same circle. Okay, OC equals to OC common, and angle ACO equals to angle BCO equals to 90 degree. क्या है? Given this implies that triangle AOC will be congruent to triangle BOC by RHS congruency. This implies that AC equals to BC, region क्या होगा? by CP CT. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now just see the theorem number 3rd, and this theorem is very important theorem. Now see, what is the theorem? Prove that equal chords are equidistant from the center of circle. See, very important and easy theorem. We have to prove that when two chords are equal, then their perpendicular distance from center will be same. This is the theorem number 3rd. Now just see theorem number 3rd. I am writing the statement. See, if anybody having any confusion, then just write in comment section. Okay, now prove that equal chords are equidistant from center of circle. पहले we will understand what is the meaning of this theorem. क्या इस theorem में है? Suppose see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, this is the chord AB, this one is the chord CD. Now this is the chord AB, this is the chord CD. These two chords are equal. We have to prove that equidistance from center of circle means we have to prove that their perpendicular distance from center of circle to these chords will be equal. Now see here, OL is perpendicular to, this is the O. OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD, and we have to prove that OL equals to OM. Now सबसे पहले हम गिवन में लिखते हैं, फिर देखते प्रूफ कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे। गिवन में a circle having center O and radius R in which AB equals to CD and OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD. Okay, now to prove, हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? OL equals to OM. Now just see the proof. Very simple. Now we will join OA and OC. This and this will be equal because the radii of same circle. Now just see the proof. Now AB equals to CD given. Now half of AB equals to half of CD. अगर AB और CD इक्वल हैं तो के हाफ भी इक्वल होंगे. Now see, OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD. Now perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Therefore we can write half of AB as AL equals to BL equals to half of CD equals to CM equals to DM. कहीं तो CM और DM इक्वल हुए. This will be the equation number 1. I hope there will be no confusion. Now we will take congruency in triangle AOL and COM. Now in triangle AOL and triangle COM, बहुत ही आसान. देखिए OA इक्वल्स टू OC, रीजन क्या होगा? रेडियाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल. आफ्टर दैट हेयर AL इक्वल्स टू CM, AL इक्वल्स टू CM क्यों? गिवन होगा. एंड वन थिंग, एंगल ALO इक्वल्स टू एंगल CMO, एंगल CMO 90 डिग्री, ये भी क्या है? गिवन. नाउ सी द ट्रायंगल विल बी ट्रायंगल AOL is congruent to triangle COM by RHS. This implies that OL equals to OM, रीजन क्या होगा? CPCT. Okay, I hope you have understood. It means, what is the meaning of theorem? When two chords are equal, then their perpendicular distance from center will be equal. This is the to be noted. Means when two chords are equal, then their perpendicular distance from center will be equal. See, try to understand. Suppose see, this is the chord AB and this is the chord CD. Okay, these are equal. Then only this distance and this distance will not be equal. This is wrong. Only perpendicular distance from center will be equal. This is the correct. I hope you have understood. Then just see the theorem number 4. What is theorem number 4? The chords which are equidistant from center of circle, they are equal. Means theorem number 4 is just converse of theorem number 3. Means when the perpendicular distance from center is equal, then chords will be also equal. See, I am writing the statement. See, the chords the cards which are equidistant from center of circle, ये साइड में सर्कल आर इक्वल. नाउ जस्ट सी आर इक्वल. पहले हम देखेंगे क्या. सी दिस इज द सर्कल, this is the center of circle, this is the card AB, this one is the card CD, this is the card AB and this is the card CD. Now this is the center of circle O. Now OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD and also OL equals to OM. Means see, OL is perpendicular to AB, OM is perpendicular to CD. Also OL equals to OM. Then we have to prove that AB equals to CD. देखिए बहुत ही आसान प्रूफ गिवन में a circle having center O and radius R in which OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD and also OL equals to OM. This is given. To prove, क्या प्रूव करना है कि कार्ड AB इक्वल्स टू CD. ये हमें प्रूव करना है कि दोनों कार्ड्स इक्वल होंगे. देखिए बहुत ही आसान. सबसे पहले वी विल ज्वाइन OA को ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. देन वी विल ज्वाइन OC. ओके. नाउ सी, जस्ट सी द प्रूफ. ओके. सी मीन्स OL is perpendicular to card AB, means perpendicular drawn from center to card bisect the card, that is AL equals to BL equals to half of AB. Okay. After that you see CM equals to DM equals to half of CD. इसको हम मान लेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके. आप देखो, नाउ वी विल टेक कॉन्ग्रुएंसी इन ट्रायंगल दिस AOL एंड COM. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल AOL एंड ट्रायंगल COM बहुत ही आसान. देखिए क्या है. OA इक्वल्स टू OC, that is radii of same circle, and OL equals to OM given है. ओके. एंगल सॉरी ALO इक्वल्स टू CMO 90 डिग्री, ये भी गिवन है. This implies that triangle AOL is congruent to triangle COM by RHS congruency. When two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. This implies that AL equals to CM. AL equals to CM. रीजन क्या होगा? CPCT. Now at the place of AL we can write half of AB. At the place of CM we can write half of CD. Now half and half will get cancelled. Now AB equals to CD. Now it is proved. I hope you have understood. If anybody having any confusion, then most welcome, just write in comment section and continuously keep on watching my video and support me. And see students, in next lecture I will upload the very important theorems of circle, and really that video will be very informative for you. And see, one humble request from my side, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.